theoretically, you never lose. So that's the first ARB. Now, the second ARB is going to be using this exchange, Hyperliquid, and you can see here that they have this point section up here. And what is this point section? It's actually an arbitrage opportunity, in my opinion. And I'm working on this because I only show you what I actually do. Not a YouTuber, I just show you what I'm doing as a quant. So the second arbitrage here is the more we trade on this exchange, the more points we get. Points probably are going to lead to an airdrop. So that's how it's a double arbitrage. So get airdrop. There is the link. I put it in the chat. It's also in the description. Sign up with that link and you'll qualify for the airdrop. And the more you trade, the more points you get. The more points you get, the bigger the airdrop. And how do you get more points? Well, you trade more. So I'm building a statistical arbitrage trading algorithm that should trade 24/7 and rack up those points. So if you have any questions throughout this, please do ask me in the chat section below. I've been having some troubles with my streams today, getting chopped off, but it looks like we're live again and we are mobbing. So in order to qualify for the second arbitrage, which it could be much bigger actually, you have to use that link in the description or the chat, and you can rack up points by trading more. And we're building a statistical arbitrage algorithm right now using OpenAI and ChatGPT, using Quant AI in order to do this. So we've been working on this for a while now, and you can see we're at a point where we have all of the data, and let's have that output. And while that outputs, I want to just show you how to automate your trading step by step in case this is new to you. This is the system I use. It's research, backtest, and implement strategies. So it's the RBI system, how to automate your strategies or any idea you have. You research the strategy. You can research on YouTube or papers or just your ideas based off of what you know works. Then you backtest them to see if they worked in the past. If they worked in the past, they're much more likely to work in the future. Then you implement in the bots. So we've done all this over and over and over again here on this channel. Now we're at the point where we're implementing this statistical arbitrage strategy into an algorithm so we can trade it live. And that's where we come to the double arbitrage, right? Because we're doing statistical arbitrage, so you know you're going to be long and short at all times. And if you're long and short at all times, then you shouldn't, I mean, it's a neutral strategy, right? So it doesn't matter if the market goes up or down. You can see this successfully gets the data for all of the different symbols on the exchange. It's another reason I really like Hyperliquid is because you know where I'm from, and I can't get access to these tokens pretty much on any exchange. So now I can. They have pretty much every single token. So the process to automate your trading is research, backtest, implement. Now we're actually using OpenAI's assistance API down here to do that for us. So you can see, you can put in a video like this one. This guy says, I make a living trading this one simple strategy. So I put it in here and my AI went ahead and created a strategy based off of that. You can see it here. And then it went ahead and coded the backtest for us, which is quite amazing because this process would take me hours and hours and hours to do. So we're using AI in so many different ways. Thank you, OpenAI, for all the things you give to us. I apologize that you'll hear me slurping on my coffee and my smoothie. As I said, I show you everything I do here on this channel. I'm not just making YouTube videos. I'm getting my work done so I can show you absolutely everything. If you need me to hold your hand through this process step by step, I have a boot camp that will show you exactly how to do all this, give you all my AI and all that good stuff. You get all my algos and you just get up to speed with me as quickly as possible in the boot camp. But let's go ahead and keep working through this. I'm going to turn this off for now because we know the data works. I'm just going to put this as done. Let's go ahead and say this file is done. It takes a while to get all the data because there are so many symbols. And that's okay. While we're working, I want to make sure that our AI is working too. So smash that like button. Let's get up to 10 likes as quickly as possible, and I will stay here for the full hour and show you absolutely everything. All right, so where do we need to go from here? My streaming is crazy, but that's okay. All right, so what I want to do here is I just want to keep working through this, and we'll go step by step. So first step, so go back to the main file here. Func public construct market prices.